Hey everyone. So let's understand about the very hot topic that is artificial intelligence. So in layman terms, if someone asks you what is artificial intelligence, so very simple answer should be coming from your end. That is AI means machines that learn from data as we human being learn from our experiences since our childhood. You can give example of a day-to-day life of Google Maps. So it's taking some data related to traffics and it's giving this some recommendation based on the traffic patterns, based on the at what time what traffic might be there. So this is how the AI, artificial intelligence, is learning from the data as we learn from the experience. And this AI can be divided into majorly three types, that is artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, artificial super intelligence. Stay tuned for the more learning about the basics of AI from my channel. Thank you.